So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing secure boot is not enabled error in your Battlefield 6, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing how to enable secure boot. So guys follow these steps and do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, how to enable secure boot on your PC. First, check your current secure boot status. Press Win plus R, type msinfo32 and press enter. In the system summary section, look for BIOS mode. It must say UEFI, not legacy. Look for secure boot state. If it's off, you will need to enable it. Second, enter UEFI/BIOS settings. You can do this either by restarting your PC and tapping F2, DEL, F10 or escape, depends on manufacturer, or going to settings, then system, then recovery. Click restart now under advanced setup, then go to troubleshoot plus advanced options, UEFI firmware setting and then restart. Enable secure boot. Within BIOS, navigate to tabs such as boot security or authentication. The menu names vary. Find and enable secure boot, save and exit. Enroll default keys if needed. If secure boot remains off after enabling, look for an option like install default keys or enroll factory defaults. Use that to load the necessary keys, then enable secure boot again and reboot. Verify it works. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe.